Hello everyone, this is Girija Nakaswamy. First of all, my sincere apologies. I don't know what happened in our block, entire block. There was no power, and the power came back only at 7:20. By then, everybody had left. So anyway, I'm just going to go over some of the things. But before that, I want to say that I am going to offer a Zoom session tomorrow evening, same time from 6 to 7:30. I know some of you have said yes, you can come. One of you wrote you won't be able to, but that's okay. I'm going to record the session and post it. So try your best to attend tomorrow. If you cannot, it's okay. But here is what I would like you to do before we meet on Thursday. Okay, for tomorrow, we're just going to go over some of these things. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. But mainly, one thing is you do need a new book. You cannot get a used book because you do need the access code from the book in order to get to the online Pearson lab. Without that, you will not be able to go in. So definitely order the new book and get that. And once you get that, there'll be an access code in the book. Use that to get into the Pearson Com, and to get to our course, you need to use this code. Okay? So there are two codes. One you will find in the book, and then after you get to here, you will put this to get to the course. So that is where you can access the video and audios for the lectures and for everything. After this week, it'll be difficult for me to download anything because the publishers are strict about this. Okay? It's important you join Zoom sessions Mondays and Thursdays. Hopefully there won't be any other power issue. When we meet tomorrow, we will continue with our names and what it means. And let's now go back to the module and see what you have to do before our Thursday class. Okay? So one thing is you want to be familiar with the vocabulary for this unit. These are the words you have to be familiar with. So learn the meaning, and you can go here, and this is a Quizlet, and it has practice, like it gives you the meaning of these words, and then it also, you can see what it means, then it is easier for you to understand. Okay? So, and it'll also tell you whether it's a verb or a noun or an adjective. So that's important for you to learn. So that's one thing you want to do before Thursday, is to become familiar with these vocabulary. Tomorrow in class, I may explain some of this, but if you cannot be there, then you have to do it on your own. Then there is this little exercise here. Listen to this conversation, and after that, to see if you can find the answers to these questions, and we will discuss these answers in class either tomorrow and on Thursday, just for review for those who cannot be there tomorrow. Okay? The other thing that you can start working on is this, the discussion. So many of you might know already what to do. So we didn't get a chance to talk much about each other. So I would like you to write a brief introduction about yourself and then post it by tomorrow night. And then after that, before Wednesday ends, you want to respond to two other people. So all you have to do is go here, reply, and then I'm just going to say, I am Girija Nakaswamy, etc. Okay? So that's where you write your reply, and then don't forget to click on post reply so others can see your introduction. So definitely do this before we meet again on Thursday. Okay? If I know you won't have the book, so we can wait on this. Same thing for listening. I will see if I can download some things. If not, at least do these exercise before our Thursday class, and then I'll explain to you on Thursday the rest of the homework. But if you can get started with the vocabulary and the tuning in and listening and start thinking about names, why do we choose certain names, how parents choose children's names, that's a good start. Okay, so please join for Zoom tomorrow if you can. Try your best. Even if you can join late, that's fine. But I will be there from 6 to 7:30. All right.